They agree on the definition of success. The expectation is present that we have higher accountability requirements. The mind can only absorb what the butt can endure. We're gonna build one-page scorecards for every position. Now, we're gonna try to get through some of that type of stuff today, but it needs to clarify the accountability and success that it has been agreed upon. They need to say, these are the things that this office is going to need from this particular role. They need to agree on that. Yes, I understand. Yes, I get that that's my job. So we're gonna create these scorecards, we're gonna co-create these with your team, and we're gonna install the review cadence based on that. So remember, 30, 60, 90 days. After that, we're gonna do things quarterly. So creating the scorecard, one sentence, why does this role exist? 3 to 5 measurables. What does winning look like? What does excellence look like? What is considered acceptable and what is considered excelling? This is what I want you to strive to do, but we have to stay above this, because if that metric turns red, we've got a 48-hour address principle, basically. We've got 48 hours to sit down with them and talk about it. And what does failure look like? All right, what is the consequence of failure? So what we're looking for here is genuine ownership. We want them to own their role. They take on the personality of this role. They own the values of the practice, and that's a lot easier to do when they come in with the values that you're looking for. They agree on the definition of success. The expectation is present that we have higher accountability requirements. There's less resistance, better alignment.